Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I was explaining you word problems based on addition and subtraction of fractions, and yesterday we have solved question number 22, question number 23 and question number 24. So today I have to start from question number 25. I hope you must have understood all the three questions, and if you have any problem, any queries, you can comment down in the comment section of yesterday's video. I will read the comments and then I will explain your query. Now, coming to the next question, that is question number 25. First, let me read the question for you. Question number 25 is of 3 by 4 and 5 upon 7, which is greater and by how much? So, you have to find out, two fractions are given to you, okay, 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 7. So, we have to find out which one is greater and by how much. If only one question was given over here, which is greater, then the answer of question was very simple. How will you find out the answer of that question? Which is greater? Out of these two fractions, which one is greater? What is the first thing which we have to do in order to identify? There are two methods by which you can check that which fraction is greater. Either you can cross multiply, okay? Either you can cross multiply. The next method which you can use is, if you know the answer, you can pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. The next method is to make the denominators same. So how will you make the denominators same? If you know the answer, please reply to me in the comment section. अगर आपको answers पता है, please do reply to me in the comment section. So there are two ways to identify which one is greater in between these two fractions. Either you can cross multiply, that is 3 7s are 21, 4 5s are 20. That means this fraction is greater than this fraction. 3 upon 4 is greater than 5 upon 7. But yes, in this question one thing was asked, and that thing is by how much. By how much? Whenever you will find this word by how much, in that case what you have to do? If you know the answer, please reply to me in the comment section. If by how much is written in your question, what you will do? Add or subtract? I am giving you two options, addition or subtraction. Very good. We have to subtract. What we have to do? We have to subtract in that case. So how will we find out that which one is greater? We will subtract both the fractions in order to find out which one is greater and by how much. Okay students? So firstly, make the denominators same. What is the LCM of 4 and 7? Since 4 and 7 are which type of numbers? I have already explained you in the chapter factors and multiples. So you have to tell me, I am not going to tell this answer. 4 and 7 are which type of numbers? I will be telling the answer of this question at the end of the video. Okay. So 4 and 7. The LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. So in order to make it 28, 4 has to be multiplied by 7. The same goes with the numerator. In order to make it 28, 7 has to be multiplied by 4. So same goes with the numerator. Now 3 7s are, now let me write the next step above so that you don't face any difficulty to note down. So the next step is 21 upon 28 and 20 upon 28. Now, as I told you, 3 upon 4 is greater than 5 upon 7 earlier also. So, you can see that the denominators are same, and 21 upon 28 is greater than 20 upon 28. Now, what we have to do? We have to subtract, because we have to find out by how much. Okay, by how much we have to find out. That is why we have to subtract. So, 21 minus 20. Since the denominators are same, we will retain the same denominator. So, the final answer is 1 upon 28. So, we will write at the end 3 by 4 is greater than 4 upon 7. Sorry, not 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7 by 1 upon 28. By 1 upon 28. Okay students, I hope you must have understood this question. Now let me explain you the next question, that is question number 26. So please pay attention students. So students, first let me read the question for you. Okay, so question number 26 is Mrs. Soni bought 7 whole 1/2 liters of milk. Out of this milk, 5 whole 3 upon 4 liters was consumed, how much milk is left with her? So we have to find out how much milk is left with her. Now a term is used over here, that is left. So what we have to do in this question, students? Please reply to me in the comment section. If left is written, that means we have to subtract in this question. What we have to do? We have to subtract. So the first statement will be total quantity of milk. So what was the total quantity of milk? The total quantity of milk was 7 1 upon 2 liters. As it is a mixed fraction, we have to convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 1, 15 upon 2 liters. Now what will be the next statement, students? The next statement will be quantity of milk consumed. Quantity of milk consumed. So what is the quantity of milk consumed? That is 5 3 upon 4 liters. So since it is also a mixed fraction, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So 4 5s are 20, 23 upon 4 liters is the quantity of milk consumed. Now we have to find out how much milk is left with her. So let me write the last step of this question. Quantity of milk left with Mrs. Soni is equals to, what we have to do in this question? Subtraction. So 15 upon 2 minus 23 upon 4. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 4? Since 2 and 4 comes in the table of 2, I have already explained you that the highest number will be the LCM. So the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So to make it 4, 2 has to be multiplied by 2. 4 is already 4. So here it will be 30 upon 4 minus 23 upon 4. Since the denominators are same, we will retain the same denominator. So the final answer is 7 upon 4, which can be written as 1 whole 3 upon 4 liters. So this is the quantity of milk which is left with Mrs. Soni. Okay, students. Now the next question, that is question number 27. So please pay attention, students. Let me rub this before reading the question. Yes. So students, question number 27 is a film show lasted for 1 upon 3 hours. Out of this time, 3/4 hours was spent on advertisements. What was the actual duration of the film? So for example, you went to watch a movie in this lockdown, in this corona, you cannot go for a movie, but yes, earlier also you have went to watch the movie. So for a fraction of time, there are ads coming during the movie in intervals also and in the beginning also. So you have to find out what was the actual duration of the movie. Okay. So the first statement in this question will be total duration of the show, film show, because that was a film show, including ads. This is including ads. Ads are also included. 1 upon 3 hours, which can be written as 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3 hours. Now what will be the next statement, students? The next statement is time spent on advertisement. Time spent on advertisements. So what is the time spent on advertisements? It is 1 3 upon 4 hours. 1 3 upon 4 hours, which is 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4 hours. Okay, students. Now we have to find out the actual duration of the film. So to find out the actual duration of the film, what we have to do in this question? We have to subtract. Okay. So let me subtract. Let me rub this first. Actual duration of the film. So the actual duration of the film is 10 upon 3 minus 7 upon 4. 10 upon 3 minus 7 upon 4. Now again 3 and 4 are which type of numbers? So I told you that I will be telling you the answer at the end of the video. So the answer is 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. And what are co-prime numbers? You have to reply to me in the comment section. Students, please reply to me in the comment section what are co-prime numbers. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So to make it 12, 3 has to be multiplied by 4 and 4 has to be multiplied by 3. So 40 upon 12 minus 21 upon 12 and 40 minus 21 upon 12. So please reply to me in the comment section. What is the final answer, students? 19 upon 12. What is the final answer, students? Let me rub this first. The final answer is 19 upon 12 hours, or it can be written as 12 ones are 12. So 7 upon 12 hours. I hope this question is clear now. So now 2 questions are left in this exercise. Question number 28, question number 29. We will be doing these 2 questions in tomorrow's video. If there is any problem, any query, you can comment down in the comment section. Questions solved in the video are your classwork. So if you have understood well, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye-bye. Take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.